Hindi yung pupunta ka sa isang competition, high five ka sa coach mo, di ba? Then, you have no manners. Because once you get that black belt, naghirap ka, nag-start ka white belt, nakuha mo yung black belt mo, ayaw magbago ng students mo sa'yo. Is that good? No. It's because getting a black belt, you have to earn it, di ba? Hindi naman binibili yung black belt. So, how many years of dedication of your lives until you get the black belt, tapos i-high five ka ng student mo, di ba? No, that's why you have to remind them. You have to teach them how to become good role models. Because if you don't teach them to become good role models, then you're teaching a bully. Right? So here in GPTF, we're just reminding you that it is important